We designed this tank to give operators maximum visibility of the work area. The 40-gallon tank provides 25 minutes of continuous run time. There's space between the tank and the hood, which allows safer hose routing. On competitor brooms, you have to route hoses around the tank and they may fall off the broom hood. The space also allows us to utilize full tank capacity since our tank can drain from the bottom. Competitor water tanks lay flat on the broom hood, making it difficult to completely drain the tank and utilize the full tank capacity. The translucent tank allows you to see how much water is left over. You can't see through some competitor tanks, making it difficult to know when you need to refill. This is a pressurized pump system with an adjustable regulator to control the water pressure coming from the nozzles. The low-profile tank can retrofit older 72 and 84 Virnig Pick-Up Brooms. The gutter brush option increases cleaning width by 12 inches and allows you to sweep next to curbs and buildings. It can be installed on either side and be stored up and out of the way when not in use. If you're looking for a premium broom designed to perform and built to last, then check out Virnig. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for new Virnig videos.